What will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? I will visit my friend. I will visit my friend. When will you call your mom? When will you call your mom? I will call her tonight. I will call her tonight. What time will the party start? What time will the party start? It will start at 7 p.m. It will start at 7 p.m. Where will you go for vacation next year? Where will you go for vacation next year? I will go to the beach. I will go to the beach. Who will you meet after school? Who will you meet after school? I will meet my cousin. I will meet my cousin. How will you celebrate your birthday? How will you celebrate your birthday? I will have a small party at home. I will have a small party at home. Will you cook dinner tonight? Will you cook dinner tonight? No, I will order pizza. No, I will order pizza. What movie will you watch this weekend? What movie will you watch this weekend? I will watch a comedy movie. I will watch a comedy movie. Will you study English tomorrow? Will you study English tomorrow? Yes, I will study English for an hour. Yes, I will study English for an hour. What will you buy at the grocery store? What will you buy at the grocery store? I will buy some fruits and vegetables. I will buy some fruits and vegetables. What will you do if you win the lottery? What will you do if you win the lottery? I will buy a new house. I will buy a new house. When will you see your dentist? When will you see your dentist? I will see my dentist next week. I will see my dentist next week. Where will you go for dinner tonight? Where will you go for dinner tonight? I will go to my favorite restaurant. I will go to my favorite restaurant. Who will you go shopping with? Who will you go shopping with? I will go shopping with my sister. I will go shopping with my sister. How will you spend your summer vacation? I will travel to different countries. I will travel to different countries.